Everybody, Julian here back with my unboxing video. Cause well, I was doing my unboxing video, but then I exited YouTube. So yeah, let me go get my unboxing. Let me go get my Hot Wheel. All right, y'all, I am back with my stuff. You see from, I unboxed it the other day. So yeah, here we go. I just unboxed it. Devil Artemis. Cell. Devil Artemis Cell. I have a question. When you're doing the recaps and the intro comes on, why do you be like, hey, subscribe? Oh, it'd be so funny. Why do you do that? Oh snap. Comment down below and tell me why you do that. Okay. This is that one box. This is that one box. Okay, these are like my X-ray cars. X-Racers, Vision ones. You can see right through them. If I put them in front of my face, you can still see my. If you put them in front of my nose, you can still see them. Like these are all of them. I call this one Muscle Man, cause it's like Dodge Challenger. I call this one Tokyo Drift, cause it looks like it's from Tokyo. I call this one the Flash because it has that one color, or the Flash color. I call this one Caramel Apple because it actually has that one color where it's like caramel apple-ish. I call this the Green King because it's green and this might be the fastest car on the track. Okay, it's time for my Dino ones. I have Dino ones too. Oh crap! Oh, I landed it. I'm okay. I landed it, y'all. And I can change my hairstyle, son. So, well, I call this the Hulk Hunter, cause it's a big truck and it's like a hunting type Jeep truck looking thing. I call this the Jungle Indy, the Indy Jungle. Like, comment down below if you have a name for it. I call this the Slithery Raptor. Well, because looks like a raptor and it's really quick. I call this the Tyranno Destroyer. It's like a T-Rex and it destroys the track. I call this the Armadillo Lizard. For some reason, call this the Armadillo Lizard. Seriously? I know y'all see my camera sliding. Call this the Armadillo. What do I call it? Oh, Armadillo. It don't matter. Well, and that will be it for my unboxing video. I had more, but I unboxed it in my last video, so